Today is February 9th and I'm visiting my childhood home again. The owners were like totally awesome and let me come in and see this, and they're living here. I'll introduce you to the guy right now. He's in his pajamas, but he totally said I could come in and say hi because this is my childhood home. Hi sir, thank you for letting me come into your home in the middle of the night because this was my childhood home and you said I could come in.
Am I on TV?
It's just totally not going to be on TV. Anyways, I'm going to take a look around your house and then I'm going to look through all your stuff. I'm going to go look down there.
Don't steal my gold bars and my diamonds.
Anyways, okay, so this was the living room. Don't look at him again. This is the living room, how it looked, exactly how it looked when okay, we're going to go into the kitchen. This was original wallpaper with the strawberries and everything, and it's just so great. I'm gonna bring you around here again. Going to go down to, oh my gosh, this was the bathroom that 20 of us shared. We all shared this bathroom. It was kind of hard, but we did it. And oh, this was my room. This was my room. Oh my god, my pictures are still all up on the door. Oh my god, I can't wait to go in and see it. I can't. Oh my god.
We're reading this sign back.
That was my bed. That was my childhood
What are you